Today I am reviewing the MSI MAG A850GL PCIe 5 power supply. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with efficiency, the MSI MAG A850GL is 80+ Gold certified. This means that the power supply delivers up to 90% efficiency under typical loads, which not only reduces wasted energy, but also keeps your system running cooler and quieter. Efficient power delivery is essential for gaming rigs and workstations that operate for long periods at high loads. By reducing excess heat, this PSU helps prolong the life of other components and contributes to a more stable system overall. One of the standout features of this power supply is its fully modular design. With a fully modular PSU, every cable can be connected or removed independently, allowing for a clean and organized build. Cable management becomes much simpler. Airflow inside your case improves, and you no longer have to deal with the clutter of unused cables. The MSI MAG A850GL also includes native dual-color 12V2x6 PCIe cables. This is especially useful for graphics cards, as it ensures clean, efficient power delivery while also adding a subtle design flair to your build. In terms of compatibility and future-proofing, the MSI MAG A850GL is ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 ready. These standards ensure that the PSU can handle the latest high-end components, including next-generation GPUs and CPUs, without any limitations. This means you can upgrade your hardware in the future without worrying about your power supply becoming obsolete. Durability and reliability are also a major focus. MSI backs this power supply with a 10-year limited warranty, demonstrating confidence in its long-term performance. For gamers and professionals who rely on their PCs daily, having a power supply that can last a decade or more is invaluable. The internal components are engineered to withstand the demands of continuous high loads, and the overall design ensures consistent voltage delivery even during heavy gaming or creative workloads. Another important point is the noise and cooling performance. The MSI MAG A850GL is designed to operate quietly, even under high loads. Efficient thermal design and quality components help minimize fan noise while maintaining optimal temperatures. This ensures that your gaming sessions or intensive workloads are not disrupted by loud PSU operation, contributing to a more enjoyable and immersive experience. The MSI MAG A850GL is also highly versatile, suitable for compact builds as well as standard ATX cases. Its compact form factor does not compromise performance, making it a flexible option for a wide variety of setups. Whether you're building a small form factor gaming PC or a full-sized workstation, this power supply provides the power, reliability, and efficiency you need. In conclusion, the MSI MAG A850GL 850W PCIe 5 power supply is a premium choice for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants a high-quality, efficient, and future-ready PSU. Its combination of 80+ Gold efficiency, fully modular cables, PCIe 5.1 compatibility, and a 10-year warranty makes it an excellent investment for long-term reliability. If you want stable power, clean cable management, and compatibility with the latest hardware, the MSI MAG A850GL is a power supply that can meet and exceed your expectations.